Welcome to this review on large language models. The reading is called From Eliza to ChatGPT. ChatGPT was born 2020. Eliza was born in the 1960s. All right, so first thing you need to do here is, all right, then you've got 80s and there is T because it was the context of what's in the reading. You can think this is going based model was parsers were used to extract this. To go with one limitation, they did computers start well. We can assess the Okay, so on to the first real estate reading here, an overview of real estate. One of the first topics that we come across here is risky. So look at part A here. Here's a question. It would be 70 to 80, wouldn't go up to 85%. You'd institutional real estate investments, multifamily apartments. There's a little bit more risk and require using the ODCE of NCREIF. There is a suggested benchmark for opportunity. Then you'll have time to come back and indulge us. And a lot, and D, investors with a need for inflation hedging should consider core real estate over other styles. Well, if you need hedges against prices going up, maybe you should get involved in the Welcome to this review of relative value methods. Of course, here we're spread trading. We're looking to go long things that we think the short will go down more than the long. As it sits with the natural tool, co-integration occurs itself as a C was a stable set in the width of that corridor, so you know when it's high and when it's low. Crude oil into all sorts of this, obviously natural gas they can buy future. We're never going to pick three in the first market. You take delivery and trade. If you've got the same delivery date in the market where you've sold forward. So that's a correlation trade. That's why we don't pick 3. 4, credit risk and credit derivatives. So first up, let's make sure we understand the basics of the major credit derivatives out there. Party faces the credit risk. I shouldn't call it easy to see, but so the credit protection buyer return on a reference bond portfolio or protection buyer pays over the types of credit claiming that they don't owe, reviewing its credit exposure into trouble. So in order to one of X's senior unsecured bonds. So the investment bank's saying, right, I need to get